Good morning, my friends. I hope all of you are having an awesome, fantastic day. And hello from Camp Cedar, which is an outdoor luxury resort that you can come to and stay when you're visiting Kings Island or you're just in the area. You can bring your RV. They have RV parking and hookups here, or you can stay in one of their beautiful cottages, and that's what I'm staying in. Today, I'm going to be giving you guys a full tour of this property, show you everything that you need to know and see, and then also give you a full tour of my cottage. This place is absolutely awesome. I cannot wait to show you this property. A big thank you to Kings Island for having me out. I hope you guys are ready because I am. Let's go do this. All right, welcome to my cottage. As I just checked in, and I mean already, look how homey and cozy this place is. It even still smells brand new. Right here you have your entryway, your front door, which will lead you out to your porch. You have a couch here, which does pull out into a bed. A very nice sized TV, which is mounted. This is very cool. And then here's a look at the pull-out bed. From there, you have your TV remote, a light with a USB port, which is very nice. Your garbage, a little stand to put your things, some storage down here, your telephone. Kings Island left me a very nice gift. Thank you so much, Kings Island. You guys are great. Your thermostat, AC throughout the cottage here, which feels amazing. One of the biggest perks that I'm already enjoying about staying here at one of their cottages is the fact that you have a full kitchen with everything that you may need if you want to cook. Like, there's a full-size stove and oven, a microwave, a coffee maker, toaster, and like I said, it's fully loaded with everything that you need. Silverware down here. You have your pots and pans, cups, and then bowls and plates. Below the sink here, you can find extra paper towels, extra trash bags, more soap. You also have some storage bowls over here, and also oven mitts. Refrigerator with a freezer. Take a quick look inside. They also left me a very delicious looking cheese and cracker and fruit plate. I already went to Kroger down the street, got me a few things. You can also order food, which is very nice. Your freezer with ice. I really like how they have this option. If you need to order food, you can either go up to the front and get it, or you can have it delivered here to your cottage or your RV site. And not that far away from the kitchen, you have your bathroom. Check it out. How nice. It's small, but it has everything that you need. You have your toilet, sink, mirror. Over here you have your shower with a pretty big bathtub. Inside of your cabinet you have towels. You also have hooks if you have wet towels or wet clothes from enjoying the pool here. You have soap, shampoo and conditioner, and body lotion. I just noticed that all of the soap and the lotion came from Bath and Body Works. Now that's impressive. There's a hair dryer below the sink here. Finally, moving on to the bedroom. Look at this. This cottage is so dang cool. Looks like you have a queen size bed. Looks very comfortable. 2 lights up top. Over here you have a alarm clock with 2 USB ports with your TV remote. You have a mounted TV, air conditioning right here, and then you have your closet with my luggage, extra pillows, blankets, ironing board, and a few hangers. You also have a broom as well. It does look like you have 2 different thermostats, one in the bedroom and the other one right out here in your living space right there. I'm now outside of my cottage, and look how neat this place is. It's everything I need and then some. Here's a brief overview of my place. There's the front porch. You have a little walkway here. That's the front door. You have a few chairs with a little table, some outlets, outdoor lights. That's my parking spot right here with my rental, and then I have my golf cart parked right next to it, and then Kings Island is just right here. When I was checking in last night, I could see the ending of the fireworks show right here. And then here's the RV park. I mean, it really reminds me of Fort Wilderness at Disney World. Then you have the bathrooms right there with the showers and laundry. This is a dog-friendly property, so you can bring your dogs here. You just have to check them in at the front. I love this. And then over here, you have a little picnic table, a grill, and it looks like a fire pit, possibly. Let's go have a closer look. Oh yeah, it is indeed a fire pit. So that's awesome. Then you have water access right here, and then just nothing but woods in the back of the cottages here. That's my cottage. That's the cottage next to mine. This is fantastic. Here's my golf cart, by the way, that I've been using for the past few days. It's been very nice to have, I must say. Very, very convenient. It's another beautiful day here in Ohio as I'm driving over to the front of the property. Just wanted to give you guys a look around. There's some more cottages. Of course, over here you have the RV park. All right, and here we are at the very front of Camp Cedar. This is where you'll first pull in. You have your security checkpoint right there. The main lobby, this is where you'll come and check in. And then you have the shuttle pickup and drop-off location right there by the sign. And then there's the shuttle right there. And Kings Island is maybe like a mile away. It takes 3-ish minutes to get there. Not too bad. You can also find a McDonald's, a few restaurants, groceries, all right here, so not too far away at all. And then of course you can rent a golf cart. You pick them up right there, and then you can find a basketball court on the other side. So once you arrive, you will just find a parking spot, which will probably be right here. Park, come in. You will see a sign that says guest check-in. You can also purchase ice and firewood here. Looks like $10 per case. And here we are inside of the camp store. You can find all kinds of Camp Cedar merchandise here. I like this hat. Some t-shirts. And then the door is right here. You'll walk in, just walk right over, and this is where you will check in, check out, or if you have any questions, they will be happy to take care of you here. Some more coffee mugs. I mean, just a ton of merchandise. I like that tie-dye shirt as well. Water bottle, keychains, jewelry. Some more Camp Cedar t-shirts. These are $21.99. If you want to make s'mores, they have you covered with everything that you may need. They have a little coffee shop here called the Dry Bean Coffee and Gelato. Of course, you can purchase coffee, pastries, cookies, drinks, cakes and cupcakes, macarons, parfaits. Okay, not too bad. You can also purchase Dippin' Dots. If you may have forgotten anything or have any kind of emergency, they have you covered with medicine, lotion, mouthwash, toothpaste, deodorant, sunscreen, eye drops. Then over here, I mean, everything you may need for camping. Foil, laundry detergent, lighters. They have an ATM here. Stuff for the pool, swimwear, towels, more medicine. They have plenty of beverages to choose from. Beer, milk, Lunchables, frozen margaritas, burgers, Hot Pockets. Oh yeah, they have everything that you may need for camping if you bring your RV. Gorilla tape. That's good to know. Some more stuff for camping. They have party lights here. A coffee pot. I just left the store and now I'm pretty much inside of the main lobby, but it's not really your main lobby because you will check in inside of the store like I showed you. But you can find plenty of seating, checkers, TVs, They have bathrooms. The inside is very, very nice. They have a fire display right there. And then over here you have a restaurant that serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I came here last night for a quick bite to eat. It was very nice. More TVs. They also have a full service bar here. And if you continue walking, you'll go right to the pool area. And that restaurant is called Ironwood, which is the same restaurant that will deliver food for you if you choose to get food delivered to your RV site or your cottage. So that's something to keep in mind. Very convenient. Okay, just a quick recap. You have Iron Grill right there, the camp store, parking, and then if you continue walking over, this will lead you right to the pool area, and it is a massive area. I did not know, and I just found this out, that they have a adults only area, which you must be 21 years or older to enter. But how nice is that? They have a few cabanas right over there that you can rent, which is very nice to have right here because the bar is just right there, as you see a additional seating area for the bar with fans. So that's very nice. Looks like you can pick up towels over here. Okay, let's go over to the main pool area now. That was the adult area, your main lobby, and check the pool area out here. Very, very big and spacious. Plenty of lounge chairs. Let's take a closer look at the private cabanas that you can rent. Looks like you have a couple of lounge chairs, some tables, a bigger table, some more seating, and a TV. And then of course you have your curtains for extra privacy. Here's a closer look at the pool. Looks like you have a few basketball hoops, a waterfall. The water looks amazing. I just felt it. It's a very good temperature. Then over here, there's a little, I guess, space for the toddlers, a little water slide and such. Right here is the gym. I had a really good workout in there this morning. You have showers outside, restrooms, and then here's one last look at the pool. You do have a 0 entry right there if you need. And then over here you have some food trucks. By the way, the pool hours are from 9 a.m. to 9 o'clock p.m. Again, that's the pool. You do have lifeguards on duty. And this is the food truck area, which is open, I believe, every single night. Here's the Urban Cow. Looks like they have ice cream. Here's a look at their menu. Funnel cake fries. Oh my goodness, a funnel cake fry sundae. Here's Route 66 Grill. I don't see a menu out though. This one is called Beach Box Cantina. Ooh, looks like they have margaritas, beer, popcorn, trail mix. I like the name of this last one, called the Fresh Tortilla. Here's a look at their menu. They have quesadillas, loaded nachos, fajita salad, chips and dips. Nice. Also over here you can find a small playground for the kiddos to just run around and enjoy. Plenty of additional seating. There's some games over there. And that's about it as far as the main area. This food truck area is called Belize Street. I'm back by the adult only section. We can see the top of Orion right there. In order to make it over to the shuttle pickup location, again, you have pretty much everything right there. The pool area, just cross the street, walk over this bridge here, and you will see these Camp Cedar shuttle buses that will take you to Kings Island and back from Kings Island. Just come until you see this Camp Cedar sign, and then the shuttle should be waiting for you, or if it's not here yet, this is where the shuttles will come. Here's the gym, as I am the only one in here this morning, which is very nice. They have everything that I would need and then some. Very nice equipment, free weights, treadmills, bikes, ellipticals, a cable machine, a bench, mirror. Very nice. Right on the other side of the gym, you can find the laundry facility. Looks like $2 for the washer and $2 for the dryer. Here's a look at what the RV campsite will look like. I'm showing 354. You have your parking spot here, and then your driveway. Looks like you have your water hookup right here. Also your electrical hookups. Let's see if I can open it here. Here's a look at what you are working with. I think you have a sewage hookup I'm not 100% sure, but it looks like it. And then over here, you have a picnic table, you have a fire pit, and you have a grill. And that's the setup. Very simple, very basic, but I like it. Sometimes all you need is basic and simple. I love this place so much that I already can't wait to return, and hopefully like a year, 2, 3 years from now, I will hopefully have my own RV, because I would love to just drive my RV wherever I want to go, like up north, and just go to different, you know, RV sites and park my RV like this place. Just have that experience, you know, because like the cottage is very nice. That's my cottage right there. Looks like they are ready to start kicking me out because I have to check out now. Wah, wah, wah. I know, sad day. But yeah, you know, glamping is nice and all, but I'm ready to experience like the RV life. I just went through my Kings Island goodie bag and it was awesome. I have to show you guys. Starting off with the 50th celebration reusable bag. Inside, they left me a Charlie Brown plush and a Orion t-shirt, which I will be wearing to the park tomorrow. And guys, I'm just so dang excited to finally ride this coaster. They also left Bianca a celebration shirt. And then look at this. They left me a celebration Tervis. This is awesome. Like, this is so neat. And then a limited edition collectible with Snoopy with that celebration cake. And then the best part, this nano coaster that I can take home and build of Orion. These things are a lot of fun. And then some park maps and some candy. All right, my friends, that's gonna do it for today's video. I love this place. If you're looking to come to Kings Island, and if you want to do something different, unique, something that you and your family can make memories with and remember for years to come, I highly recommend check out Camp Cedar, either here inside of one of their cottages or over at their RV park. I mean, this place has everything that I needed and then some. It was nice after spending such a long day over at Kings Island to just walk through the parking lot, get picked up by the shuttle, and get brought back right here to your cottage, and getting able to come back in and just shower, make something to eat if I wanted to, and then just hop in bed. Very, very nice. I do recommend this place. Oh yeah, and I also really enjoyed having that golf cart. I mean, you also have a pool, you have a adult pool, you have a restaurant, a market, just in case you need anything. This was just such a fantastic stay. But now I'm off because I have to hop in the car and make the drive up to Cedar Point because that is my next destination. Once again, a big thank you to Kings Island for having me out. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help out the channel in so many different ways. Let me also know down in the comments, are you guys planning on staying here in the future? Have you guys ever stayed here? Did you like it? Did you hate it? Let me know down in the comments. I love you all, and YouTube, I will see you in the next video. Prince Charming.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, with those gonna lift me up this time. You were the only one who got me tripping up inside.